Hola clase, ¿cómo estáis? Vamos a continuar hoy con el presente perfecto de indicativo versus subjuntivo. Vamos a ver los dos contrastados. Fijaros en estas personas que están aquí, están hablando, ¿verdad? Y una persona le dice a la otra, fíjate que mi sobrino se ha graduado de ingeniero de computación. Wow, take a look at this. My nephew has graduated as an engineer, computational engineer, or like a computer engineer. When this person reacts to news, he's going to be using the subjunctive. So this person is stating a fact. Hey, take a look at this. My nephew has graduated as an engineer. And this person is saying, wow, me has dejado boquiabierto. I'm speechless. Qué sorpresa que se haya graduado. What a surprise that he has graduated. We don't really know why this person is saying what a surprise. Maybe his nephew is not that good. But take a look at both of them. What is the difference between one and the other? Fíjate que mi sobrino se ha graduado. ¡Qué sorpresa que se haya graduado! What is the difference between one and the other, guys? What do you see that is different? Let's take a look at the review, very quick review. I'm not going to spend much time with the present perfect because it's something that has happened or hasn't happened up to the present moment. No he hablado con el gerente todavía. I have not spoken to the manager yet. ¿Te has enterado de los beneficios de la compañía? Have you found out about the company's benefits? Okay, these are things that are happened recently, right? These are a few expressions that we use, adverbs, todavía, ya, alguna vez. Take a look at the examples. Samuel todavía no le ha reparado la bici a Julia. Samuel has not repaired Julita's bicycle yet. Not yet. Or still hasn't done it. Ya he visto sus referencias. Son excelentes. I have already seen his references. They're totally excellent. ¿Has tenido un trabajo a tiempo completo alguna vez? Have you ever had a full-time job? I don't think so, because your full-time job is studying, and you've been doing really well. ¿Has tenido un trabajo a tiempo completo alguna vez? How do we conjugate it? Simple. Present tense of to have, as a, hemos avisado, and the past participle. You know how to conjugate it because you've done it. AR verse, ado, ER-NIR, ido. Very good. Okay, how is the past participle formed? You know that this is like the easiest thing because in the regular verse, ado, ido, and then we just have to remember this verse that we need to write the accents because there's a combination of vocales, ai, ei, or oi, okay? But never with ui, so just remember that you have it in the other PowerPoint. Okay, here are all these irregulares that you know very well. I'm not going to go over them, but you really need to remember them. Just remember one thing. They don't change abierto, abierta, okay? This is always going to be ado, ido. That's it. And the irregulars, they always end in o. Roto, visto, vuelto, puesto. Okay, where do we put the pronouns? Very easy. Always before haber, okay? Estoy buscando las referencias de Julita. ¿Las has visto? I'm looking for Julita's references. Have you seen them? No. No me he graduado todavía. Me falta un semestre más. I have not graduated yet. I have one semester left. So let's take a look at our practice with, somebody's getting interviewed because this is our vocab. Explain what they have done based on the picture. So if you take a look at that one, yo me he vestido muy formal para la entrevista. ¿Qué significa vestirse? To get dressed, right? I have dressed really well for this interview. We have some of this that you can take a look at when you're studying. Your first interview. Yo he solicitado el puesto de gerente. I have solicited this job as a manager. O mi hermana se ha encargado de ayudarme con las preguntas. Oops, I forgot an S. I'll put it right now. My sister is in charge, or she has helped me with the questions to ask in an interview. Yo he aprendido sobre la compañía. I have learned a lot about the company before going, ¿no? I have learned. Yo he cumplido con los requisitos y el gerente los ha visto, ¿verdad? I have, cumplir significa, like I have, cumplido, like I have all the requirements, right? Cumplir, like to comply with requirements. Y el gerente, the manager, has seen it, verlos. Pay attention to where they're putting the, I hate every time I move this because you cannot see it. Where do they put the object? Okay. Take a look at these pictures. It's a mess. I hope you guys are cleaning your bedrooms. What's going on there? What do you think is happening here? Wow, look at that. Nice and clean. Look at this girl. So, mamá dice, quiero que limpies tu cuarto. I want you to clean your bedroom. No? Wishing one thing, you see some subjunctive there. 2 hours later, 2 horas después, ¿has limpiado tu cuarto? Have you cleaned your room? And the last one is saying, oh, me alegra que hayas limpiado tu cuarto. I'm so happy that you have cleaned your bedroom. Okay. What is the difference between quiero que limpies tu cuarto, almost like a command, or like a wishing, hoping, and this one, me alegra que hayas limpiado tu cuarto? What is the difference between those two? Oh, I'm happy that you have cleaned your bedroom, or your bathroom. Okay, can be any other. Where do you see the subjunctive used and why? Why is it used like that? Conjugating the present perfect subjunctive is very simple. It's just going to be like the present perfect indicative. The only difference is haber. It's one of the dishes. Do you remember haber in one of the dishes? Haya, hayas, haya. Hayamos, hayáis, haya. But what makes it like subjunctive in a sentence? Like you can take a look at this one. There's something going on. There's something going on. Right? Maybe you can see it. The past participle is always the same. It's going to be hado or ido, right? Same as with the present perfect indicative. What expressions do you see that are going to convey judgment or feelings? These ones. Es bueno que, es curioso que, es horrible que, es lógico que, es maravilloso que. Obviously, we have millions of expressions that they're similar, so these are just some of them that you're going to see. Es natural que, es normal que, es triste que, es una lástima que, me choca. ¿Qué significa me choca? It shocks me. I'm like puzzled by. Me alegra, I'm happy that, no? Me enoja que, I'm annoyed or I'm like mad about something. Me molesta, same thing, it bothers me. Me parece bien o me parece mal. Seems right or wrong to me. Y me sorprende, I'm surprised at, right? Okay, take a look at this, because when you have subjunctive, the sentence is going to start with weirdo. It's going to start weird. It's not going to be a statement. It's not going to be factual. It's always going to be subjective of something. It's always going to have that opinion or something is coming. Some weirdo thing is coming. Me alegra, me choca. Es una lástima, no me gusta. Obviously, you're going to have que, but remember that sometimes we have que and we don't have subjunctive. Take a look at this. Me alegra que el gerente haya leído mi currículum. I'm so happy that the manager has read my curriculum vitae, my resume. Me choca que ellos hayan salido tan deprisa. I'm shocked that they have left so early. Es una lástima que nuestro equipo haya perdido otro juego. It's so sad. I'm such a pity that our team has lost yet another game, right? No me gusta que tú me hayas mentido. No puedo confiar en ti. I'm not happy that you have lied to me. I can't trust you. Okay, now this is going to be your homework, so pay attention to, are you going to use indicative or are you going to use subjunctive? Write these sentences and like rewrite them. You can rewrite them in a piece of paper, and there are 8 sentences, different sentences. Pay attention to the indirect object pronouns or reflexive pronouns when needed, and you would upload this in the Google Classroom. Un beso muy fuerte para todos. Y seguir cantando Cuéntame.